Hey, I'm Sven. We're going to take a look at what to do if you want to give the Toniebox and Creative-Tonie preloaded with great content as a gift. In our experience, it's more fun for Tonie-Fans, young and old, if they can just unpack the Toniebox, put on a Tonie and get started straight away. Set up the Toniebox in advance so they can start listening as soon as you give your gift. All you need is a brand new Toniebox, working Wi-Fi and a device you can use to access the setup assistant. Ready? Then let's get started. First, go to the Setup Assistant on my.tonies.com/setup and follow the on-screen instructions. If you're not sure, check out our video tutorial on installing the Toniebox. Already installed your Toniebox? Great! Then you can start loading content onto the Creative-Tonie. We'll just record a short greeting. If you need help uploading content for your Creative-Tonie to the Tonie Cloud, check out our setup video, Get Started with Creative-Tonies. If the content has already been connected with the Creative-Tonie, you just need to download the content onto the Toniebox so it can play without Wi-Fi. Just look at the LED beneath the Creative-Tonie. When it stops flashing blue and turns solid green, you're all set. Do the same thing if you want to gift more Tonies. You don't need to unpack them, by the way. Just put them on the Toniebox like this. Then you can wrap up the starter set to give as a gift. The big moment has arrived. You can give the Toniebox as a gift. What's the next step? Easy. You can transfer the Tonie household from your account to the lucky new owner. They can then connect the Toniebox to their own Wi-Fi so they can download new Tonies and Creative-Tonies in future too. But first things first. To transfer a household to another Tonie fan, log into your Tonie Cloud account on my.tonies.com first and invite them to become a full member of your household. Once they've accepted the invitation and set up their own Tonie Cloud account, you can move on to the next step. In your Tonie Cloud account, choose the Members menu option and click on the Household Settings link. Among the options, you'll find the Leave Household button. When you click this, you'll be asked to choose a new owner from the members of your Tonie household who don't yet have their own household. Just choose the right member and confirm your choice. The Toniebox still needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi in its new home. No problem. The Toniebox can remember more than one Wi-Fi network. To connect the Toniebox that's already installed to another Wi-Fi network, simply go to my.tonies.com, open the Toniebox's menu option and click on the teaser button Set up new Wi-Fi. Or you can go straight to my.tonies.com/Wi-Fi. The online assistant will show you step-by-step how to connect your Toniebox to another Wi-Fi network. If you want to continue helping to manage the Creative-Tonie, simply get an invite as a Creative-Tonie member. You've already got the Tonie Cloud account. Thanks for watching and happy gifting!